Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a South Indian dessert. The dessert name is Parapradhamam. We are doing dessert in plantain, famous in South India. Let's go and see the ingredients. I have plantain. The plantain is in Tamil we call Nendram Padam and Malayalam as well. And then I have a jaggery, and then I have a ghee, and then I have cardamom powder for it gives good flavor for Indian dessert. I have two extraction of milk, extraction 1 and extraction 2 of coconut milk. Then I have mixed nuts sauteed in the ghee. Come, I will show you how to cook the dessert. First I will add jaggery to it. Then I will add a little bit of water. In Tamil we call it as a pagu. It's nothing but just jaggery syrup. So once we make the syrup, we need to strain it because it contains lot of dirt and mud to it. So we have to pass it. This Nendram Padam contains a lot of nutrition values in it. It has a potassium, it has a sodium, magnesium. So it is good, very good for health. This plantain it has a high in fiber, so it is good for health. If you have any constipation problem, it will be good for you. And then it contains lot of carbohydrate, so if anyone skip the breakfast, so one will be more than enough for the day. So it has a lot of carbohydrate in it. It gives you good energy. I cut this plantain in a rounder shape. However you want, you can cut by basically we prefer this plantain should be ripe. If it is ripe, will be very good for the dessert. Basically this pradhamam is nothing but, in Tamil we call it as a payasam. This is almost going to be done, so I'm going to strain and remove the dirt. Very easy to cook this dessert. It has only 4 ingredients. If you have any, suddenly you have a guest in a house, you can make this dessert within 15 to 20 minutes. You can prepare it. So it's very simple dish to make. The kids will really love this dessert because it contains nuts and sugar and then fruit and banana in it. So absolutely the kids will love this dessert. Okay, now I'm going to strain this one and then I'm going to keep it aside. Be careful while you straining this jaggery syrup because it contains sugar. Then it might be harmful for you. It will harm you. Then it's dangerous for you. Next, I'm going to add a ghee, 2 tablespoons of a ghee to the pot, and once it's get hot, then I will add this Nendram Padam plantain to it. I will saute it. So we need to just saute this Nendram Padam. If it is ripe, if it is going to spoil, it is a very good for the dessert. You can make a dessert out of it. It is a very good for the dessert. So you have to nicely saute this one. It will get infused with the ghee, and then it gets a good flavor in the plantain. Infused and get a good taste. Once you saute this one, it will become the yellowish color. Once become the yellowish color, it will become soft and then tender. So it's very easy to eat. So color is changing now, so it's getting very soft as well. You can just poke this ladle and then you can check it is getting very nice and tender. Once it's done, we need to add the strained jaggery syrup to it. That is so in Tamil we call this a pagu. So I'm going to add this jaggery syrup to it. So this one I just saute. Actually, we call it as a glazing in English. It is jaggery syrup gets infused with the plantain, and it gets the sugar. It gets coated with the sugar and then get a nicely glazed, and it looks very shiny and shining and nice texture to this fruit. This plantain will it will absorb all the sugar content to it, and then get a good jaggery and sugar flavored with this fruit, and then it's very good to eat. It's very famous in south part of India, in Kerala. The people used to have this plantain every day. In the morning, every day they have one. So very healthy food, very good for health as well. Once this is getting done, then we're going to add this. You can see the shining and it's very well glazed. Then it gets the jaggery is getting dry as well. Then it's shining and soft as well. Now I'm going to add this second extraction of the coconut milk. So why I'm adding this second extraction of coconut milk is, once we started boil this one, if you add a first extraction of coconut milk, it will get curdle or it will split. So it doesn't look good. But the second extraction of milk is good. That's why I'm adding the second extraction of milk. If you boil, it will not get curdle as well. The first extraction of coconut milk you need to add while going to finish. That time you need to add, and we have to finish it off the dessert. If you boil the things also, the second extraction of coconut milk will not get curdle. So before we are going to finish, that time we will add the first extraction of coconut milk. During the festival time, we used to make this dessert. It's already getting nice and getting reduced as well. You can see the plantain is getting very soft. Now I am going to add this first extraction of coconut milk, and I'm going to finish it off. So now I add the first extraction of coconut milk, and I'm going to mix it nicely. You can see the color of the slightly changed to the golden brown in color. Now I'm going to add some nuts. Balanced nuts I'll add as a garnish. Now I'm going to add some cardamom powder. So cardamom powder gives a very good flavor and rich flavor in Indian dessert. It's very sweet and give a punch to the dessert. So now dessert is almost ready. 1 to 2 minutes we just keep it here in a slow flame. Okay, dessert is ready. I did the plating. I had the side nuts to it. I just tossed in the ghee. I tossed in the ghee and then I add as a garnish. If you please try this at home, give me a feedback in my comment section. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel and then see. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching.